What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Eric's Garage, and today we're going to be looking at this 1981 Mercedes 380 SL. All right, so this here is a 1981 Mercedes 380 SL. My friend Jeff and his grandmother gave me this car. Her neighbor passed away, and he basically left everything to her and left her this car, and she didn't know what to do with it, and they asked if I wanted it, so here it is. The last time I had an inspection sticker was 2004, so this car has been potentially sitting for 20 years. It is a gas burner, not a diesel, but I'll take y'all around and show you what we're looking at. So the interior is pretty intact. It is missing the carpet, but it looks like it may be in the back seat here. It is an automatic. The odometer is reading 14,019 miles, and according to the pedals down here, it might be accurate because these are not worn in. I'm pretty sure some rodents were living in here at one time. But all in all, it's intact. The dash isn't really cracked up. There's one little crack there in the center. The seats look to be in really good shape. I don't see any cracking in the leather. Center console looks pretty good. The wood around the shifter there is pretty cracked up, but we can fix that. And I'm going to tell you now, I do not know a lot about these cars. I have been looking for a project car, not necessarily a Mercedes, but this was free for the taking, so I took the offer, and here it sits. So the body is pretty straight on this car. There is some signs of rust, like down here, and over here. There's a little more rust. Same thing up here on the front fender, but it's pretty straight. Go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. Let's see if I can remember how to pop this thing. Right here. There we go. So under here looks to be pretty intact. It is a little crusty, but I have no clue what I'm looking at. Under here looks pretty complete. I've never messed with a Mercedes before, so it's going to be a learning process. I come from Chevy vehicles and American stuff and Nissan 240s, so this is new for me. So, but like I said, I'm not sure what we're going to do with this car. We may try to see if we could get this engine to run. Or we may do an engine swap, trying to see what you guys would like to see, because I haven't built a car in probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 years. So it'd be fun to do a cool little project. And since this car has got some rust, I'm not against cutting it up a little bit, since I don't have any money into it. Maybe do something crazy, lower it down, big wheels, do some custom fenders or something like that. I don't know, who knows? But I just wanted to show y'all this project, get y'all excited. Comment down below what y'all like to see, and we'll go from there. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.